Hello everyone, my name is Dan, and in this video I will share with you how to identify imbalances like a pro using SMC and ICT techniques. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first, we can spot imbalances on any time frame and of course on every single pair. So no matter if you're a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper, this video will come in handy, so make sure to stick till the end. Now, how do we spot imbalances? Well, it's super simple. We just gotta look at the candlestick's behavior. Okay, so for example, right here, we look at this candlestick right here, and we consider it as our first candlestick. We need to mark the top of it, and then we look at the third consecutive candlestick that formed afterwards, and we mark the bottom of it. If the candles aren't touching, then we formed a imbalance in the market or inefficiency. Okay, we can see here that price is moving efficiently because the candlesticks are touching each other. Okay, look, for example, this is the first candle. Let me zoom in to make it more clear. Okay, this is the first candle, second candle, third candle. The candlesticks are touching. Okay, so therefore we have efficient price action, but usually inefficiencies or imbalances occur in the markets when we have an aggressive move either to the up or downside breaking structure. That's when usually imbalances are being created. Okay, right here, for example, we had a major push to the upside, breaking structure to the upside very aggressively. Okay, we broke structure here, therefore we left imbalance behind. Here we have another example. Okay, we had this high here, market broke up very aggressively and left some imbalance behind. Okay, check this out. Boom. First candle, second, third consecutive candle. The bottom of it is right here. Imbalance was created. Now, you might ask yourself, well, why is this important? It is super important because usually the market tends to fill these voids, okay, and then move back to the upside. If, for example, we are in an uptrend, of course, this is not going to be something that will happen every single time. You'll also get reversals, but this can be an added confluence to your strategy. Of course, strategy videos will come in the future, so make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. But this video will only be about imbalances. Okay, we're only going to focus about imbalances. So let's continue. For example, here we would have this demand level right here. Of course, we will have videos on supply and demand levels as well in the future. And after that, we will have a strategy video where we basically mix all the concepts we've learned so far. We'll put them all together, and we will have a very cool strategy coming out. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But the reason I decided to use this demand level here, this example, is because this was actually the level I used to send a SMC trade in my Telegram group. Okay, so I will attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when the trade was sent in the group. I think it was around here. Okay, I sent a buy limit on this zone right here with the stop loss below it, and the take profit 3, the last take profit was at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. And one of the reasons I took this trade is because it had imbalance. Okay, and now if we play the market, check how it played out. It was a wonderful trade that tapped our zone and then smashed all the targets. And I will also attach a picture right now to show you exactly when I updated the trade after it hit all the targets. And of course, feel free to go down below and click the link to join the group. And like this, you will see all the SMC trades I am sending there every single day. Okay, so that being said, let's scroll to the left and see if we can find some more examples. Okay, check this out here. For example, we also had a aggressive push to the downside, but we don't have a imbalance right here. Okay, we have the bottom of this wick and the top of the third wick of the third candle is right here, so no imbalance was created here. Okay, let's scroll some more. Look, check this out. Boom, we have bearish price action. Okay, and we have a major break of structure to the downside right here. Okay, as you can see, we broke down very aggressively, and guess what? We left some imbalance behind. Very clear to see, very huge imbalance. And again, this could have been another trading opportunity. You could have placed a supply level right here having this imbalance as a extra confluence, and you could have placed a sell right here, and this would have been a lovely trade based off imbalance, of course. Okay, so as you can see, price broke lower very aggressively, imbalance was left behind, and then what the market did is it came back, it filled the gap, it touched the supply level, and then it reversed back down and continued the initial downtrend. Okay, so you can see how powerful this is. You can see how powerful this is, and I do suggest you, after you end this video, go ahead on a random chart, random pair, random time frame, doesn't matter at all, and start training your eye. Candle by candle, start training your eye to be able to spot these imbalances. Because like this, in the future, once the strategies will be out, and like I said, the strategies will be a mix of every single concept we've learned so far, okay? And you already knowing how to spot imbalances, how to read market structure, and how to identify liquidity will be very helpful, okay? So make sure to take your time, backtest, read the charts, and start training your eye, because this is super important, okay? And that being said, that's pretty much it, okay? So imbalance isn't really hard to identify. You gotta keep it super simple, and you just gotta train your eye. After that, it will all come very easily, okay? So yeah, that being said, I don't want to make this video too long. I think I've covered everything. Feel free to ask me anything you want down below in the comment section, okay? Also, feel free to share the video and like it. I will appreciate it a lot. And of course, like I said, make sure you're subscribed to not miss out on future uploads. And a video on market structure will pop on the screen right now. Make sure to go ahead and check that one out as well, to be able to read market structure like a pro. And of course, till next week, till the next video, I want to wish you all a lovely week, a lovely weekend, and I will see you all next week. Take care.